How to add filters in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app and add the video you want to apply filters to by tapping the plus icon in the bottom left corner. Next, tap on the clip in the timeline to select it and then look for the filter option in the editing tools at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see a wide variety of filters including movie, vintage, black and white, portrait and many more. Browse through the available filters and tap on the one you like to apply it instantly to your video. You can also adjust the strength of the filter by dragging the intensity slider, making the effect either subtle or strong depending on your preference. Once you are satisfied with the result, save your project or export the video to share it with others. Now you know how to add filters in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.